Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. And this requirement is for fresher to experience, 0 to 2.5 years of experience. This is for supply chain management consultants who are ready to attend for the walk-ins in a company called Hexacore IT Solutions. That's the company. And this requirement is for supply chain management. You must have a graduation, master graduate, MCOM or MBA, and male candidates preferred, and from 0 to 2.5 years of experience. And this is Info Park Campus, Thrissur, Kerala location. And you can visit this website, and there also you can go for apply. And then you can also call this for inquiry. This walk-in interview will be on 7th October 2023, 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock. And when they says that supply chain management consultant trainee, you should be clear with the inventory module, procurement, and some order management, as well as the security console FSM environment. Procurement means you should be clear with the procurement, BU setups, approvals, requisition, RFQ, quotations, different supplier levels, as well as the inventory module will be talking about inventories, item transactions. So these all things you have to be clear. So you have enough time to prepare for that and attend for an interview. It's walk-in interview means generally you will find very good feedback. Feedback in the sense they'll try to find out a good consultants who are having good confidence level, even if your subject is little bit less, but how fluently you are speaking, how confident you are on the product. So depends on that. There'll be go for a selection criteria, and you can communicate for more information regarding the salary or any terms and conditions. It means fresher means obviously there might be some bond or 2 years or 1 year. You can communicate with them, but I'm not sure. I got only this information through LinkedIn, so I have posted here. Just try for. And if you have any of the friends, please refer to them and follow our channel to get latest updates on the cloud trainings and interview point of view clearing, as well as the job opportunities. Okay. Thank you.